Welcome student our Target Up study channel. In this video we will be cover top 10 MCQ related for active filters. Our first question, the Q factor for a narrow band pass filter is dash dash. Option A 0, option B its bandwidth, option C greater than 1 and option D less than 1. The Q factor of narrow band pass filter is greater than 10, then the passband is narrow and bandwidth of the passband is also less. This band pass filter is also called narrow band pass filter. In narrow band pass filter, the Q factor is greater than 1. The correct option is C. Next question. Dash dash filter is also known as notch filter. Okay, yes. This type of question many times asked in university exams. Dash dash filter is also known as notch filter. Option A low pass, option B high pass, option C narrow band pass and option D narrow band reject. A notch filter is also known as band stop filter or band reject filter. In notch filter, to cutoff frequency or specific frequency is reject and above and below frequency is pass is called notch filter or narrow band reject filter is also known as notch filter. The correct option is D. Narrow band reject filter is also known as notch filter. The correct option is D. Next question. What are the most commonly used active filters? Here option A all pass filter, option B band pass and band reject filter, option C low pass and high pass filter, option D all of the above. There are two types of the filter, active filter and passive filter. Here to us most commonly used in active filters. In electronic circuit, different applications require two different types of the filter design. Here to the correct option is D, all of the above. All filters are required in electronic circuit. All active filters are required in electronic circuit. The correct option is D, all of the above. All filters, all pass filter, band pass filter, band reject filter, low pass filter, high pass filter are used in active filters. The correct option is D. Next question. In second order low pass Butterworth filter, gain decrease at the rate of the first order low pass Butterworth filter is a 20 dB, and here to ask the second order low pass Butterworth filter to the 40 dB decade. Showing the frequency response curve graph, the minus 40 dB decade is the correct answer. Option B is the correct. In second order low pass Butterworth filter, the gain decrease at the rate of minus 40 dB decade. The correct option is B. Next question. Which filter has a maximally flat response? Option A Bessel, option B Chebyshev, option C Butterworth, option D all of the above. In frequency response curve, to maximum flat response curve is a Butterworth. The Butterworth filter is a type of signal processing filter designed to have a frequency response as flat as possible in the pass band, is also referred to as a maximally flat magnitude filter. The correct option is C. Butterworth filter has a maximally flat response. Next question. Which filter exhibit as a linear phase characteristics? Here to option C Bessel is the correct option. Bessel filter exhibits the linear phase characteristics. Option C is the correct. Next question. Which filter exhibits the most rapid roll-off rate? Option A Chebyshev, option B Butterworth, option C Bessel and option D all of the above. The most filter exhibit a rapid roll of rate is the Chebyshev is the correct answer. Option A is the correct. Next, which filter characteristics are used for filtering pulse waveforms. Your option A Butterworth, option B Bessel, option C Chebyshev, and option D all of the above. The correct option is a B. Bessel filter characteristics are used for filtering pulse waveform. The option B is the correct. Go to the next question. In which filter the output in input voltage are equal in amplitude for all frequencies? Option A low pass filter, option B high pass filter, option C all pass filter, and option D none of these. Here to ask, in which filter the output and input voltage are equal in amplitude for all frequencies? In all pass filter, the output and input voltage are equal in amplitude for all frequencies. This filter passes all frequency equally well and with phase shift and between the two function of the frequency. In all pass filter is signal processing filter that passes all frequency equally in gain. Here to input voltage and output voltage is equal or in amplitude, but changes the phase relationship to change the phase angle among various frequency. In correct option is C. All pass filter is correct option. Next question, last question. A third order filter will have a roll-off rate of. Here to ask, third order filter, the first order filter to minus 20 dB, second order is minus 40 dB decade, and to third order is the minus 60 dB decade. The correct option is A. Minus 60 dB decade is the third order filter will have the roll-off rate of. The correct answer is A. Please like and subscribe our channel.